Yes, so how are you?
I'm fine. I'm doing so.
I'm also fine. Yes, thanks for asking me. And first, you share your professional name with the nickname.
My professional name is Shrankush Mondal. That is my name. There is no any nickname. Someone tells to me anybody something tell about to me, and then my mom taught the person who are the used as a nickname as a negative nickname. That's why I have no any nickname. That is my only name, Professor Mondal.
So, can you share what is the meaning of Ankush, if you know about?
That Ankush meaning is it is a weapon of control the elephants. But one time I searching what is the means of Ankush. That Ankush means that there has to own weapons and instrument to controlling the elephants, and that is also symbol of discipline consistency. They suggested we are
Yes, thank you so much for sharing your meaning of name. And which class do you study?
I study in semester 5 in the BSK College Varava. That year 2020, 2022 to 2026, last year the final, I will completed the graduation and will become a graduate.
Yes. In advance, congratulations. And which subject do you like the most?
In this time I like English because I have to speak more with myself when I feel low or any stressful mood and any distraction mood. That time I also talk to with me in English about the future, about the syllabus, about the future goals. That will be inspire me and I come back to my previous comeback.
It's totally to the point. And which subject do you find the most difficult?
I saw sometimes difficult subject is math because I last 4 5 years I did not practice in the math. And right now I will prepare for the competitive exam, and there have to need to be you have to practice and know about the math. That time also I feel hard, but it is not totally hard if I give the time as a continuously every day 2 or 3 hours, then will be okay.
Yes. So we have multiple subjects, math, English, history, and other also skills. So if you doing rating, so which subject for you the most rateable subject in this time?
If I read about any subject, then I have to read about the geography because it is also knowing new things about the earth and also universe. Sometimes will be I read about politic, know about the rights and schedules also, and something which can I use what is the people rights and the fundamental rights. That is interesting for us, and also it is give benefit for our future everywhere. That's why I read geography and politics.
Yes. And what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I sometimes I use as a using prepare flower, but not continuously. It's like any need, when need to make a flower, then I have to work. But now when I free, then I use as a mobile phone and listen song or scrolling as a related to motivation, not the dancing or any other distraction.
Yes. And how much time you spend your study?
In study right now, you have to know maximum as a, that is the average of 4 hours, because I when I was in the class, I decide to, that is the class timing is 1.25 hour, but I completed as a after 1.5 hours, and after maybe going 2 hours, it take 2 time for knowing, and also when I confusing, then I go to previous also, that time also take more time, and also making notes for, so it is not continuously take as a same time, will be up and down, that is average of 4 to 3, maybe another day cross the 5.
It means the average time is the 3 to 4 hours.
Yes.
And what do you want to become in the future?
In the future, I become as a after I firstly I crack the want to crack SSCCL, and that is the highest post I achieve. After that, if I take chance about any as a teaching line, then I have to shift in teaching, because in teaching area has to as a government 1 year will be, in 1 year 180 days will be leave, we can leave, and also their limited time to work life, and also work balance life, we can enjoy more with, also give the time in our family. And like in central exam will be posted out of state, it is too far from the home, but maximum as a state level exam will be like teacher level, it gives as a near to the home, it will be work sometimes, and if I get free, then I have to go somewhere for traveling or visiting place.
Yes. And what is the one thing you are good at?
One thing that is
You are the best in that.
I have to quick learner. If I as a listen and also seen in the classes as a focusly, then it is also safe in my mind, and it is remembering as a long time. I did not forget, because I also give the time for meditation, for focusing our mind. That's why I did not forget in the simple time, which gets other likes other people who did not do meditations.
Yes. Thanks so much, Ankush, sharing your thoughts. And thanks so much. Have a nice day.